I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check your balance on Rogers Prepaid, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check number. Open your phone and dial *225#. This is the official balance check number for Rogers Prepaid. Step 2. Listen for your balance. After dialing, wait for the automated voice to provide your current balance. It should be displayed on your screen as well. Step 3. Use the Rogers app. If you prefer using your smartphone, download the Rogers My Account app. Log into your account to view your balance easily. Step 4. Check online. You can also check your balance by visiting the Rogers website. Log into your account and navigate to the Prepaid section. Step 5. Set up alerts. To avoid surprises, consider setting up bounce alerts in the app online. This way, you allow receive notifications when your balance is low. Remember, if you ever have trouble accessing your balance, ensure your phone has a good signal or try again later. Happy checking!